Okay, so now that I have the turbo, the car lags every time I start to make some boost, and I put the AFR on so I can see the every time it starts to lag is when the boost, not the boost, the AFR goes lean. So I'm gonna be installing a fuel pump on this thing right now, and it's gonna suck because you don't just go under the back seats. You gotta drop the whole fuel tank on this shit. But first we're gonna start inside. We still gotta take off the back seats, so we're gonna start with the back seats first. Okay, to get to this part, you gotta take these back ones first off. There's one. Let's take these two, and then this one will come off. Then you'll be able to take this side off, and then you'll be able to take the bottom part off. It's connected right here. Mine wasn't. They didn't have the bolt for it, so I just pretty much just took it off. So when you disconnect it, all you do is lift the back go up, and then just it unhooks from here. Then you can get to this part. So just disconnect this. And take these screws off. Just pop this boot through it. Oh shit, there's a fucking spider. Damn, what the fuck? Fuck, man, I'm scared now. I don't wanna do this shit no more. Fuck. Any more spiders? Nope. Is that shit alive? Shit. Damn. Does this shit come off? I don't think it does. Okay, after that, you lift the car up. Make sure you use jack stands. Don't just use the jack. I wanna fucking die under this shit. So next thing, I opened the gas cap so there's no pressure in this shit. I gotta drain some of the gas right there, that nut right there. So take that off and catch whatever gas comes out of it. I have like half a tank on this shit. And since I lifted it, whenever I take it out, there's still gonna be a whole bunch of gas because it's tilted. I might just fucking take it off without draining it. Nah, never mind, I'm gonna drain it. There's a lot of gas in there still. So drain it. If you have a little bit of gas, then you can probably do it. If not, then it's just gonna be heavy whenever you disconnect it from here. But first we're gonna drain it. Oh shit. Oh fuck. The rust is leaking all there already. Shit. Fuck. Okay, next, take this cover off. There's some 10 millimeters right there, and this plastic screws. Take that shit off. Okay, so there's that plastic cover off. Next, it's the fuel pipe thingy. So disconnect right here, this plastic connection thing. There's two. There's this one, and there's a hose connecting the smaller hose pipe on top of it. Disconnect both of them, and then disconnect the fuel lines up there. There's 3, I think. Okay, so after you disconnect them, so you're not fucking trying to take off the bolt for an hour for those things. You can just unhook them. I was fucking twisting this shit for like 20 minutes, just trying to take out the whole bolt, but I really just loosen it, and this shit should come off. This part right here. I was trying to take this whole thing off. Anyways, so this is a faster way. So now you can use a jack to help you drop it. Oh shit. There's another hose still there. So there's gonna be 3. There's these 2, and then this one. I didn't disconnect this one, so I'm just gonna do that one right now. Okay, so that third line was bolted right here, so you still have to drop it a little bit so you can reach it. So that was a 17 right there. So right now, when I dropped it off, when I dropped out the tank, fucking still had a whole bunch of fuel. And it started coming out through here. So make sure you drain it as much as you can. That way you don't have that problem when you start lowering it. So yeah, now we're gonna get to the actual fuel pump right here. It's gonna be a whole bunch of little 10 millimeters. So just disconnect those. So here it is. She actually looks bigger than the one I just got. Hey, what the fuck? Whatever. I actually thought it would just be like plug and play type of thing, but it does not look like. But I'll see. I'll figure it out. So this is what I did. This came with the fuel pump kit. Just connected the ground right here to the one it came with, and the power. The thing that always scares me though is the fuel gas in there. But I mean, I guess as long as there's no opening and there's no spark, it shouldn't blow up. So hopefully I don't blow up. If you see this video, that means I didn't blow up. So yeah, so it's the old shit. So this will connect to that, and this will go here. So yeah, let's continue this shit. So here it is now, all assembled shit. Came with all. I couldn't put this on there, so hopefully it doesn't come off. But it came with all these little things. I don't know what the fuck they are for. Hopefully I don't need them. So it's ready to go back in there. So hopefully it turns out good. So yeah, now it should be the same shit backwards. And the hardest part is probably gonna be putting this back in there. I can already tell, man. Fuck. Okay, so I didn't record putting it back it's basically the same shit putting it when you took it off, but it's on. Took me a while putting all the gas back in there, and it burned my fucking clear coat on this shit.
¿Ya lo vas a prender, güey?
Sí, güey.
Oh, fuck. Aquí sí, a ver si nos explota esta mamada, güey. Después, güey, hablan a ver qué pedo. Ay, ya está celosa.
Okay, so I just gotta adjust the fuel pressure. It's a little bit higher, like 5 psi. And then I'm gonna take it for a test ride and see if it keeps pulling on the turbo. Yeah.
Shit. Así escucha, güey.
Sí aguantó, güey, pero algo pasó, güey.
Acá subió hasta el 10.
Sí.
Ya.
Antes no llegaba ni a la mitad, güey.